Hello all you lovely people. Zontes have released their new 350V, which is one of their best selling bikes, with the new 350cc engine. Wow! The bike is now on sale in China, but in a few months time, after Euro conformity checks and certification, it should be coming to Europe and beyond in a few months time. The bike comes in three colours: rose gold, dark grey and bright silver, and dark grey and bright black. The seat height has been lowered from, it was 810mm, now 765mm, so anybody can ride it. 348cc, 29 kilowatts of power, which equals 39 horsepower. The clutch is a wet multiplate slipper clutch. Fuel economy is 3.2 litres per 100 kilometres, which is about 90 miles per gallon. Dual channel ABS, brand new tyre sizes. On the rear, it's a 180/55 ZR17, gone up from a 160 to a 180. The front tyre's gone up to a 120/70 as well. Absolutely brilliant. I hope you enjoy this video. This is Mad Mick signing off.